First Standard EVS Chapter 4 Our House and Its Neighborhood. Hi students, if you are playing some outdoor games with your friends, it rains suddenly, what will you do? Now you run inside the house. Why? Because we need a safety place. Yes, that is house. Shall we see about house? All living beings such as animals, birds and human beings need a place to live. We live in a house with our parents. A house protects us from heat. Then it protects us from cold. A house protects us from rain. Then it protects us from thief. Then it protects us from wild animals and natural disasters. So, a house protects us from heat, cold, rain, thief and wild animals. Now, see again, a house protects us from heat, cold, rain, thief and from wild animals. We eat, sleep, feel safe, laugh and cry in our house. What is the difference between house and home, kids? The word house is used to talk about a building made for people to live in. Okay? The word home is used to talk about the family living in a house. So, house means building only. Home means people living in a house. Okay? Many years ago, people did not live in house. Many years ago, people did not live in house. They used to live in caves. When there were floods, people went to live on mountain top to seek shelter. Then people started to living in house on the ground. See the type of houses, kids. See this picture, kids. This is called tent. People live in tent. It is made up of canvas or cloth. This is not a permanent house. We can take it to anywhere. This type of house is movable. It's not very strong. It can be taken from one place to another place. Most of the people live in permanent house. It is made up of cement and bricks. It is very strong. Now see this house, kids. Can you identify this house? This is called igloo. This house is built of snow. So this is also called snow house. Eskimos live in igloo. Now see this picture, kids. This is called houseboat. A boathouse is a building especially designed for the storage of boats. We can see these types of houses at Kerala, Srinagar and Jammu and Kashmir. What are the things used for building a house? Now see the first one. What are these kids? These are bricks. Okay? A brick is a type of block. It is used to build walls. Next, cement. Cement is a substance used for construction that sets. Cement mixed with sand and gravel produces concrete. Okay? Next, see this picture. This is a tile. A tile is a piece of hard material. Tile is a hard material, okay? Such as ceramic, stone or even glass. Tiles are generally used for covering roof, floors, walls, showers or other objects such as tabletops. Okay, we can buy different sizes of tiles and different colors of tiles also. Next, see this picture. What are these kids? Yes, these are woods. What is the importance of wood to build a house? Wood is used for making windows and doors. So, wood is used for making windows and doors. Let us see some more things used for building a house. Okay? They are bamboo, then tiles, then iron rod, then tined roofs. The last one, stones. Okay? Okay kids, stay happy and stay healthy. Bye.